Life is a mystery. One day a person is here, and the next day he's gone. The journey of the soul is very mysterious. The Holy Book of Zohar reveals to us the journey from beginning to end and all in between. Hello, my name is Alon Anava, and I want to invite you to a fascinating lecture that's going to be Tuesday, February 3rd in Los Angeles. And I'm going to be talking about the entire journey of the soul, what happens to the soul after it leaves this world. Can we communicate with the soul? Does our mitzvot affect it? What happens to the soul? What happens in the first year? The entire journey of the soul from beginning to end, and more important, how does it affect us? And how can it change our entire life? Come and join me February 3rd, Tuesday in Los Angeles, a lecture that will change your life.